Hi everyone, welcome to my class, the Olustat class. Once again, in today's class, we want to look at how we can solve this simultaneous equation using substitution method. We want to use substitution method to solve this type of equation. S minus 2y is equal to 4, then 2x plus 5y is equal to 17. Then this type of equation is called the simultaneous equation. Now we want to use substitution method. Under the substitution method, one of the two unknowns is made the subject of the formula in one equation. This is later substitute for in the second equation to have a simple equation in one unknown. So you can see that in this type of equation, one of the two unknowns is made the subject of the formula, in which we are going to substitute it in other equation in order to make it simpler and get our final answer. So these are two unknowns that we have there. We have x and y here, and they are unknown. So solution. Then the question says x minus 2y is equal to 4. Let's call this equation 1. That is our equation 1. Remember, we are using substitution method. Then we have 2x plus 5y is equal to what? 17. Let's call this our equation 2. Now, since it's substitution method and we said one of the two unknown is going to make the subject of the formula, let's pick any of the equation. It's either equation 1 or the equation 2. But in my own case, for this example, let me pick the equation 1 and make either x or y the subject of the formula. Then from equation 1, then we have x minus 2y is equal to what? 4. In order to make our x the subject of the formula, now we have s will be equal to 4. If this 2y minus 2y cross to the other side, it will become plus 2y. Let's call this equation what? 3. Can you see? We have x minus 2y is equal to 4. Then in order to make s the subject of the formula, so that we can substitute in equation 2, we have x minus 2y is equal to 4, then s is equal to 4. If this minus 2y cross the other side, it will become plus 2y. Then we call it equation 3. Then we can now substitute this equation 3 in either equation 2 or equation 1 now, but I will pick equation 2. Substitute for s. In equation 2. Let me pick equation 2. And our equation 2 is, we have 2x plus 5y is equal to 17. Then when x is equal to 4 plus 2y, this implies that we have 2 into 4 plus 2y plus 5y is equal to 17. Can you see? It's very simple. You substitute for x. Anywhere you see x, just put 4 plus 2y there. Then let's open the bracket now. Let's open the bracket. We have 2 multiplied by this 4. That is 8. Then 2 times 2y plus 4y, then plus this 5y is equal to what? 17. Now we are getting there gradually. Then 4y plus 5y plus 9y, 4y plus 5y is equal to 9y. It will be equal to what? 17. Then this, we have 9y will be equal to what? this 17, if 8 cross to the other side, it will become minus 8. Can you see? Very simple. Then we have 9y will be equal to what? 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 is equal to what? 9. Can you see? We are getting there. Now, what do we do? The next thing is to what? Divide both sides by 9, because we are looking for the value of y, and the coefficient of y here is 9. Coefficient of y here is 9. We are looking for the value of y, so we need to divide both sides by 9. Now let's see, we have 9y over 9 is equal what? 9 over what? 9. Then this one will cancel this. Y will be equal to what? This here, 9 here 1, 9 here 1. 1. You can see down, we've gotten the value of our y to be equal to 1. Now, since our y is 1, we don't know the value of our x. Now, let's substitute for y in any of the equation, either equation 1 or 2, in order to get the value of x. Let's see what will happen now. Remember, the question are x minus 2y is equal to 4. That is equation 1. Then equation 2 is 2x plus 5y is equal to 17. And we've gotten our y value to be what? Y is equal to 1. Then what do? Let's substitute. For y equal to 1 in any of the equation. Let's pick equation 1 because it's more easy or simple to express. Let's pick equation 1. In equation 1, this implies that we have x minus 2y is equal to 4. We have x minus 2 into what? 1 is equal to what? 4. That is, anywhere you see y, you put 1 there. Now this implies that we have x 2 times 1, let's open the bracket, x minus 2 times 1 is what? Minus 2 is equal to what? 4. Then we have x here. This implies that we have x here minus 2 is equal to what? 4. Then this implies that s will be equal to what? 4. When this minus 2 cross the other side, it will become plus 2. Then this implies that s will be equal to what? 4 plus 2, 6. Our value of s is equal to 6. The true unknown has been known now. Therefore, s is equal to what? 6, and y is equal to what? 1. That is the final answer. Then from the you can see now that the true unknown s and y has been known, whereby s is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. Please, if you've enjoyed the class, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.